So we are discussing about Google Map, right? In the last class, just we discussed as a basic Google Map, that is like how to display current, uh, like some with some lat lang marker that we have discussed in last class. So today in the same, like for example, let us say I want to display that we can say has the Polygon. Polygon means like it should combine some of the places, and it will create as a one box or one completed line, so that we can say has the polygon. So that how to create that polygon here. Now we will see that. So just let I'm opening this. So all the things here we have to deal from here only. So this is from here overview. From here now, I want to create a polygon. So to create a polygon here now, somewhere here it should be. Creating the map, interacting. So just here I'm searching that polygon in Android. See, this is the polygon. So here now, if you want to create a polygon here, now use that sample code will be here. Where is the sample code? So it is simple. Last time only we got one option, one latitude longitude, but here now we will get a more lat langs. We'll combine all the lat langs here. Here it is not doing that code. So setup, this is already last class. It is done Android Studio. Setup Android Studio project. From here we will go. Here we will get that. So here this is what we have done in our last class. Right from here now, that location permission we added there in manifest file. So from here, I think this Google people has updated this tutorial in different way. That's why it is not getting here. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, now we got this. So here now I have to create a polygon. So polygon means it will create here. See, one lat lang here, one lat lang here, one here, one here. Four or five lat lang combinations, it will be created the lat lang. So that will be here. See. the version, everything, whatever the code we did, that is the same. Only the change here. So instead of mapping with one line, that will be here in onMapReady method. This is the code we are updating here. This. So already here we have onMapReady. So previous one onMapReady, just comment. On top of that onMapReady method, just I'm writing this. So this is the last time which we used onMapReady method. So till this, I'm commenting here. So instead of this, now we will add that latest code, so that will create here the map. Instead of single place marker, it can be created the marker between these other places here. This is the code here. We have to do this. So that here for this, it required the polyline option. So this is the whatever the lat longs here we have given, right? With all the lat longs, that polyline will be created. It means, let us say one line here, one line here, one line like this. It will create all the polylines in a kind of, means it will completely close up to date. That is. So that is here. Now we have added this, right? So this is not required here. So till this, that will be created here. Those this like if you want to create in a specific particular zone, like I want to create on the circle, so that you can do here. So that is here. This is the one here we are doing this. So this is about the polyline. Apart from this polyline, what we can do here means, like let us say I want to get the distance between the two places. So how to get the distance? So this is the distance matrix API. So for this, it is a straightforward APIs. But right now that we cannot do, because that we will different way. So here to get start here. So this is the distance matrix request. So if you can go and here you can check the request here. So this is the API. So this is the API straightforward here. Say HTTPS. So in this API, straightforward, we'll pass here. This is the destination. So destination address here and origin address here. So Unix imp here and your API key. Until you send an API key, you cannot get the response. So that will be here in the JSON format. This will be here. And here one more benefit here. What is the benefit here? This is the request here. So response will get, that is the request and response here we are getting here. See, first address, this address, in between of this 222 miles, and it will be here. So that you are getting here. So miles you are convert, like you want to show in the kilometers, that you can convert it to the kilometer, then you can display that. That will be okay. Right. But for this all, we required an API. So that API key. So until that API key, we cannot get this. Like that is okay. But here now, like if I want to go this with this, so we will provide API means in our support team, like company wise, they will provide the API key. Also, we are paying to them Google, right? So for every request, we are paying some amount to the Google. So in case if we struck somewhere, so it is not executing properly. So like if any issues, so the Google team will help us in even coding wise. If we required any modifications, if we done any mistakes on the code also, if you raise a ticket to the Google team, so from here there is a chart, right? So there is a chart right here, chart. The Google team will help us to what we have to do, that they will help on us. So that is the one benefit from here, this Google Map. Right. So like this, there are a lot of within the APIs, but all the APIs as dependent on this, those all are, every API will be here straightforward like this only. So that from there, we have to get that API. Right. So that will be okay. Right. Next year now, I want to get my current location. So how to get my current location? So that we will see here now. So get current location. So current location, just I'm creating project on the name of current location. So to get current location, it is also simple. Like we have to get the current latitude and longitude. So from the latitude and longitude, we will mark a place on a map that will be secondary, but we will get that current location. So on top of that location, now we have to do the other activities, like whatever you want to do that, you can do this. So, but how we will get that current location, we will see here. Just a minute. Once it is loaded, we will add that code here. That is a straightforward code. No need to remember that it is a simple code that we will do here. This. So first of all, in Gradle scripts, now here it is. I already that code here. First, in a Gradle scripts, we have to add one this. So these two we have to add in a manifest file. First, we'll add the manifest file. So location permission and find class permission. These two as required here. So just I'm opening the manifest file. In the manifest file. So these two permissions are required. Then after that here now, so this is the dependency we have to add in a location, Google Places location permission. We have to add in a Gradle script. So at the same time, this also I'm changing as a 35. So in dependencies, here I'm adding that. So implementation. So here I'm adding that. So I'm then if you come to the coding wise, it will be directly when you get this code. So straightforward will get a latitude, longitude. So that here we will complete the code as well. So once we place here, say this is the one here. Now the permission view request permission code. So that is the, because this for this already whatever we discussed, runtime permission is required. So on the runtime permission, so this is the runtime permission here. If current get current location. So here the code will be written as the get current location. So this is another class. What happened here? Two classes is generated. This is for request. This is the code we have to write. This is full code. That is part of the code. So this we will write full code here. So that is only part of it. Here this is the full code. Now first it will be get current location. So that is a fused current location. That current location we will get that. It will check with the current location. So once you will give the permission, then it will search for the current location. Then you will get this current location lat lang. So that once we'll get the lat lang. So here we are taking that is to the this here. So what is this required here? Add permission check. So that extra permission check it is required here. System. Right. So apart from this, is this required? No. Then we will run this and we'll see here now. So this is code, no need to worry. Just it is whatever the code I have to write that straightforward. Any project if you want, this code only we will use in every project. No extra permission, nothing is required. Directly we will use this code here. Just when it is running, we will see that. See, just it is mobile is connecting. Once it connects, we will see. Here now, I'll reopen that again. So this is the project. So it is asking permission. Now I'm allowing the permission. See here, we are getting this current latitude and longitude. Right. So this is the way we will get a latitude and longitude. So based on this latitude, longitude, so whatever the thing like previously in a previous project, we are taking manual, right? That instead of manual, this current lat lang you can paste it so that it will create a hint like that is. Right. So with this, we're done with Google Maps. So on Monday, we will discuss on the next other topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.